All right. So can you see your room here? Our group room here?
Yeah.
The feedback?
Okay.
Okay. So I got you like correction from after I wake up. Coba Miss Rama play dulu nih. Ada tidak ya di sini? Where is the file? Okay. My question is, Akil mau menceritakan keseharian Akil atau ketika telling about this this podcast, you told me about activities you did on the weekend. Yang mana? You
Activities on the weekend.
Okay, nice. Jadi Akil menceritakan tentang aktivitas di weekend itu kan ya, pada saat itu kan. Nah, pas Akil ceritanya itu sudah lewat atau masih berjalan?
Sudah lewat.
Sudah lewat. Oke. Jadi itu menceritakan aktivitas bukan sehari-hari Akil, tapi menceritakan tentang satu aktivitas yang dilakukan pada suatu masa tertentu dan dia juga termasuk aktivitas sehari-hari, tapi bukan kesehariannya yang Akil sampaikan, tapi lebih spesifik ke momen itu aja, ya kan? Oke, next. Kenapa di sini Miss Rahma tidak memaksakan pakai bentuk kedua? Miss Rahma ubah semuanya pakai bentuk pertama. I wake up, I pray subuh, read Quran, and everything. Karena sebenarnya yang Miss Rahma pengenkan adalah Akil menceritakan tentang aktivitas sehari-hari Akil.
Oh, oke.
Pembukaannya bukan on the last weekend, bukan seperti itu. Pembukanya bisa pakai yang ini. I want to tell you about my weekend's activity. Ya, I want to tell you about my weekend's activity. Jadi di situ Akil menceritakan tentang aktivitas biasanya pada weekend. I usually wake up at kayak gitu. Jadi aku biasanya pada weekend itu ngapain? I usually wake up at 5 a.m. for example. And after I wake up, I pray subuh, read Quran, and then have breakfast. Itu semuanya harus dalam bentuk present.
Oke.
Oke, coba sekarang Akil ceritakan lagi tentang weekend yang biasanya Akil lalu itu seperti apa? Let's repeat.
Oh iya. Oke.
I want you to tell me about your usual activities at the
Oke.
weekend.
Oke. This is my weekend. Exactly on Sunday. As usual, after I wake up, I pray subuh, then reading Al-Quran.
Then reading itu tidak then reading, tapi then read. Bentuknya harus
Then read.
sama.
Oke,
Coba
oke.
Akil nggak usah baca itu, tapi buat lagi yang lainnya mirip itu aja, tapi nggak usah mirip banget. Jadi Akil lihatnya di Miss Rama aja, di kamera aja. Oke, ini untuk bantuannya. Nggak usah lihat yang itu tadi. Oke, anggap saja itu tidak ada.
Oke, oke.
So, tell me about your weekends activity, weekends routine.
Okay, my weekend activity is this is my weekend activity. In my weekend, after
On
I woke up
on weekends,
on weekend, after I woke up,
after I wake up,
I wake up.
hmm,
I pray subuh and read Al-Quran. And then I had some breakfast.
I have.
I have some breakfast.
Yes.
Yeah. After I breakfast, I was relaxed for a while.
Not I
And
was relaxed, and then I relaxed for a while.
Relaxed for a while, around 40 minutes, and
14?
40 minutes,
14?
40,
Okay, 40 minutes.
40 minutes. And after that, I was stretching before
Not I was. After that, I do stretching.
Okay. After that, I do stretching before I did what I like.
Before I do what I like.
Before I do what I like. Mm, in afternoon, after pray zuhur,
After praying.
After praying zuhur,
After praying zuhur,
I go to field for my little brother match, my little brother football match. I watch here. I watch him. I watch him match.
I watch his match.
I watch his match before my match.
Before I
I
play my match.
Oh yeah, before I play my match. And then in 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 six in
Atau
six
before I play gini. Itu sebelum saya main untuk pertandinganku kan. Maksudnya Akil seperti itu kan? Sebelum aku bermain untuk pertandinganku sendiri. Before I play for my match.
For my own match.
Betul. Pakai on juga boleh. Before I play for my own match.
At 6 p.m. I go home and pray Maghrib. And then I have some dinner with my family, and then I pray Isha. I will sleep on 6 p.m. Yeah, I will 6 on p.m. because I was so tired.
Not I was so tired. I usually feel tired.
I feel tired.
Are you done? Sudah selesai?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Miss Rama mau telling something. Akil tadi masih terjebak pada bentuk past tense. Jadi seperti ini. We are talking about rutinitas. Rutinitas itu adalah kejadian yang biasanya kita lakukan, nggak cuma kemarin, hari ini bisa, dan besok pun juga bisa. Jadi keseharian. Jadi kalau rutinitas itu kebanyakan menggunakan simple present atau ditambah juga dengan simple future. Jadi biasanya I wake up at 7 and then after that I usually will bla bla bla. Seperti itu. Kalau Akil tadi masih terpaku pada past tense. Kenapa? Karena dalam hati Akil tuh mau nyeritain yang kemarin aja gitu loh. Ya kan? Kalau mau nyeritain yang kemarin aja, Akil harus konsisten. Kalau yang Miss Rama contohkan untuk bentuknya harus present semua, itu gini. I want to tell you about my weekends activities. Jadi, aku mau ceritain tentang aktivitas-aktivitasku biasanya ketika weekends. Jadi, biasanya ketika weekends tuh ngapain aja. Ini harus bentuknya present. I usually wake up, bla 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 bla. Ini harus present ya. Kalau case-nya Akil, Akil bilangnya kayak gini seharusnya. I want to tell you about my activities
In
on the
on the weekend.
weekend last week. Ya, atau I want to tell you about my activities last weekend.
Okay.
Nah, ini barulah I woke up at berapa? After I woke up, ini bentuknya harus bentuk kedua, prayed subuh.
Okay, okay.
Read ini bentuk kedua, cara bacanya read, tapi tulisannya sama, read, ya. I prayed subuh, read, apa ini? Read Quran, and had breakfast.
Ya.
Nah, ini harus bentuk past tense.
Oh, ya.
Terus apa lagi? Contoh balik lagi. Can you please repeat?
Repeat
Ah, about your activity. Can you tell me your activity? I
Okay, okay.
forgot. Like I forget your activity. Sorry.
Okay, okay.
Ah,
I wanna tell about my weekend activities.
mm-mm.
I usually wake up at before 5.
Not I usually wake up. Nggak boleh pakai usually. Karena ini kan talking about yang kemarin aja.
Ya. Oh,
Ah, jadi last weekend I woke up kayak gitu. Bukan on the weekend I usually. Kalau I usually nanti larinya ke sini.
oke, oke.
Tapi kalau yang Akil tadi ceritakan itu lebih ke yang weekend kemarin aja,
Oh, jadi
ya
saya
kan?
ceritakan yang kemarin
Hmm,
oh ya,
yang loh, Akil maunya cerita yang mana? Yang
yang
kemarin aja atau yang weekend pada umumnya, pada biasanya?
yang yang kemarin aja deh.
Lah, yang kemarin aja kan ceritanya. Kalau yang kemarin aja pakai yang ini nih bentuknya yang pas. Oke,
Yang ini
ulangi
aja,
ulangi.
yang biasanya.
Kalau yang biasanya, lah Akil harus pakai bentuk pertama untuk
Ya.
semuanya. Oke, ulangi.
I want to tell about my weekend activities.
Hmm.
I usually wake up before 5 a.m. and after wake up I I praying subuh. I pray
After I
subuh.
wake up, I pray.
I
Pertama.
pray subuh. Read Al-Quran and have some breakfast.
Good job.
Yeah, I was relaxed
Not I was.
uh,
I relax.
I relaxed after I breakfast.
After I
Around
have breakfast.
after I have breakfast around 40 minutes
Uh-uh.
with playing games or watching movies. After that, I will I will go stretching before
Mm-mm.
I did what I like.
Before I
do what I like. Okay. Okay.
lagi.
In the afternoon, before praying Zuhr, I have
Uh-uh.
I have some lunch, and then after praying Zuhr, I go to field for watching my
Mm-mm.
my
Brothers
my
match.
brother's match, football match,
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
and
For
yeah, before
before I play.
while waiting,
Okay.
for
Well,
waiting, eh,
for my match, my
oh yeah,
own match.
before my own match. Why I like in 6 p.m. I will go home and praying Maghrib. Praying Maghrib,
And I will go home and not praying, tapi I will go home and pray.
pray. Okay.
Mm-mm.
And pray Maghrib, have some dinner, and pray Isha.
Mm-mm. Terus lagi.
And I will sleep at 6 p.m.
Not 6, 9 dong.
Oh, 9. I will sleep at 9 p.m. After I prepared my equipment school.
Full equipment. Repeat please.
Equipment school.
School
School
equipment dibalik.
equipment. Oh yeah, school equipment.
I will sleep.
After
Repeat please.
I will sleep at 9 p.m. after I prepare school equipment.
Okay. Closingnya, that's
Okay,
all.
that's all my weekend activities.
Uh-uh. Oke, sampai sini you understand what I mean, right?
Yeah.
Oke, jadi Miss, kenapa kok mikir seperti itu gitu kan? Kan sama aja Miss, yang penting ngomong. Actually there's a rule when we speak. Kan? Contohnya ini tadi, ah, karena yang benar itu adalah memakai simple present semua atau bentuk satu semua dan ditambah mungkin sesekali adanya will. Will itu juga diikuti verb satu. Mhm. Makanya Akil harus tahu tahu gitu loh. Kenapa kok seperti itu? Oh, ternyata dasarnya adalah kita itu ngomongin tentang aktivitas keseharian. Jadi kita tidak ngomongin spesifikasi waktu ya.
Yeah.
No, but biasanya aku seperti ini. Aku
Okay.
biasanya makan nasi. Tapi hari ini banget aku tidak makan nasi. Nah, contoh kayak gitu. Atau biasanya aku makan nasi, tapi kemarin banget aku tidak makan nasi. Itu udah beda ya untuk yang kemarin itu. I didn't eat rice yesterday, but I usually eat rice every day. Nah, jadi kalau untuk yang keseharian harus pakai bentuk present, bukan yang present continuous. Tiba-tiba tadi ada I prepare, I apa tadi? Oh ya benar. I will sleep and preparing, ya kan? Preparing bla bla bla. Ini ada yang namanya keseimbangan verb. Kalau verbnya yang di sini pakai bentuk pertama, di sini jangan bentuk. Jadi ketika di sini pertama, di sini harus pertama juga. Ini. I will sleep and prepare. Kenapa seperti itu? Karena sebenarnya ini tuh gabungan antara dua kalimat. Tapi karena subjeknya sama, jadi dia satu aja subjeknya. Ini kan dari I will sleep and I will prepare. Mana yang sama kita eliminasi. I will-nya dieliminasi. Lagi ada my mom is cooking and apa? My mom is cooking and
And
washing
washing
clothes.
clothes.
My mom is cooking and washing clothes. Atau biasanya bukan washing clothes ya, langsung kayak gini, doing the laundry.
Okay.
Ini, my mom is cooking and doing the laundry. Artinya, ini ibu lagi ngapain?
Memasak dan mencuci.
Ini namanya keseimbangan verb. Kalau tiba-tiba kayak gini, my mom is cooking and do the laundry. Ini not balance.
Okay.
So, they must have the same form. Mereka harus punya bentuk yang sama. Seperti itu. Oke? Alright. Semoga, hopefully you can understand what I'm saying here. Kalaupun nanti belum paham banget nget-nget, Akil masih bisa tanya ya, kapanpun itu. Okay, so now let's move here. Let's move here. We're gonna be talking about family. So match the words from the lesson to the correct meanings on the left. Oke, coba Akil baca. My mother's brother is gitu. Saudara laki-laki ibuku adalah sebutannya apa? Is called.
My mother's brother is called nephew.
Okay. My mother's brother. Artinya apa?
My mother's brother is called uncle.
Oke. Kalau nephew tidak mungkin karena ini saudaranya ibu ya. Saudara laki-laki ibu, maka kita manggilnya my mother's brother is called uncle. Now next.
My husband's father is called I don't know.
Apa? My husband's father. Jadi ayahnya suamiku aku sebut
my husband's father is called father-in-law.
Good job. Next.
And my uncle's daughter is called
my uncle's daughter. Anak perempuannya pamanku aku sebut
called fiance.
fiance itu tunangan. Anak perempuannya paman kita nyebutnya apa? Ayo, cousin. Sepupu kan? Paham nggak sih Akil? Do you understand?
Forget.
Oh, you forget. Okay. Ini bisa lama tulisin dari sini deh. Wait a second. Okay, apa tadi? My mother's brother is uncle ya. My husband father's tadi apa?
Yes.
Father-in-law. My uncle's daughter is cousin. My brother's daughter is called
called
Coba Akil baca. Number 4.
my brother's doctor is called Fiance. No. Niece.
Nis. Kenapa biasa tadi? Oke. Anak perempuannya saudara lelakiku, aku panggilnya apa? Nis. Next, number 5.
A person I live beside is called
Person I live beside. Artinya apa?
brother.
A person I live beside artinya apa?
Seseorang yang hidup di sampingku, di
Iya,
sekitarku.
a person
Oh,
I live beside.
neighbor,
Orang yang
neighbor.
tinggal di sampingku. Neighbor, oke.
Neighbor.
Akil, wake up Akil. Kayaknya habis bangunan tidur siang. Bener ya?
I don't take a nap.
Oh, karena udah selesai kan nap-nya. Jadi, I didn't take a nap.
I didn't take a nap.
Karena jam tidur siangnya udah lewat. Jadi kita pakainya I didn't take a nap.
Okay.
Next. Nah, ini baru. Number 6.
Person I'm engaged to marry called fiance.
A person I'm engaged to marry is called fiance. Oke, ini baru. Oke, next.
Okay. My sister's son is called nephew.
My sister's son is called nephew. Okay. Wait a second. How to delete this? Okay, next one.
My mother's sister
Mm-mm.
called is Aun.
It's called Anne. Okay.
Aun.
Okay, next one. Ni Anne.
Okay. My uncle's mother is
Mm-mm.
called grandmother.
My uncle's mother is called grandmother. Okay, nice. And the last one.
My father's son is called brother.
My father's son is called brother. Okay, great. Wait a second. Where is brother? Oh, D. Great job. Okay, nice. Thank you so much. Okay, let's move on now. Okay, let's read this. Oke, coba Akil baca, nanti Miss Rahma benarkan pronunciation-nya kalau ada. Oke, let's go.
Mom, mother, dad, father, parent, parents, stepfather, mother, child, children.
Stepfather, stepmother.
Stepfather, stepmother. Child, children.
Child, children.
Child, children. Son, daughter.
Not son, tapi son.
Son, yeah, son. Doctor.
Daughter.
Daughter.
Oh. Daughter.
Daughter.
Remember this, wait a second. Kebanyakan ketika ada huruf AU, itu terbacanya O.
Oh, daughter.
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 Lagi, daughter.
Daughter.
Okay, nice. Next.
Sister. Brother. siblings, stepbrother, stepsister, grandmother, grandfather, ancestor,
Ancestor,
ancestor, oh, ancestor, grandson, granddaughter, grand,
granddaughter,
granddaughter, granddaughter, grandchild, grandchildren,
Mm-mm.
great grandfather, great grandmother, uncle, aunt, niece,
Aunt,
aunts, niece, nephew, cousin,
nephew,
oh, nephew, cousin, husband,
cousin.
oh, cousin,
Mm-mm. Ini sorry, cousin,
oh, cousin, husband, wife, spouse,
spouse, yep,
spouse, father-in-law, mother-in-law, brother,
father-in-law, mother-in-law,
mother-in-law, okay, brother-in-law, sister-in-law,
not
widow,
law,
law, oh, sister-in-law,
brother-in-law,
brother-in-law, widow,
Mm-mm.
widower, fiance, fiance,
fiance.
fiance, fiance, okay, groom, bride,
Good
bride,
job. Okay. So these are family members ya. These are family
okay,
members. Oops. Oke. Biasanya sering di sini yang paling primer ya, yang primary yang kita harus tahu adalah this one for sure.
hmm,
Mom, dad, parents, child, children, son, daughter ini sampai apa sister, brother, siblings. Oke, grandma, grandpa, yang paling apa namanya utama, main family members ini uncle, aunt, niece, nephew, cousin,
niece,
udah
nephew,
biasanya.
cousin,
Oke, kan? Itu paling a very what common things, common family members you should know. What about others like grandson, granddaughter? Itu cuma tambahan. But actually, all things here are important. Yeah, all things here are important. Okay. So now let's talk about your family members. Okay, but before, please read this.
okay. Hmm, I come from a small family. There are
Mm-mm.
4 members in my family. My dad, my mom, a little brother, and
Not a
me. A
little, a
little,
little.
a
Mm-mm.
little brother, and me. My family lives in California. My dad is a computer engineer. He works for Microsoft. And my mom is a teacher, and my brother is a high school student. At the weekends, we usually go out.
At the weekends.
Oh, at the weekends, we usually go out for dinner. I do love my family.
Okay, great job. So, coba sekarang ganti dengan punyanya Akil.
Okay. I come from a small family. There
Mm-mm.
are 5 members in my family. My dad, my mom, a little brother, a big
A
brother,
big brother, a little
and
brother.
me.
Repeat, please. There are.
There are 5 members, 5 members in my family. My
Mm-mm.
dad, my mom, a little brother, a big
Oh,
brother,
yang gede dulu.
a big brother, a little brother, and me.
Mm-mm.
Okay, my family lives in Balikpapan. My dad is uh
lecturer.
Yeah, lecturer. He works for Uniba,
Mm-mm.
and my mom is a teacher, and my brother is a high school student,
Mm-mm.
and my little brother is
My big brother is.
my big brother is a high school student, and my little brother is a elementary school student.
Good job.
At the weekends, uh, at the holiday, we usually
Pardon
go.
me. At
At
the weekends, we usually go
we usually go.
for holiday.
Yeah, at the holiday. At the holiday, we usually go.
Oh, on holiday,
Oh,
not at
on
the weekends,
holiday.
yeah. On holiday,
On holiday, we usually go out for walking around tour.
the city.
Yeah,
Mm-mm. And I
mm,
do love my family.
and I do love my family.
Okay. All right. If it's hard to make your own story, kalau susah memakai atau membuat cerita keluarga dari kita sendiri, we can copy this and change the informations based on our own family. Easy, right?
Okay, okay.
Mm-mm. But actually, you can also improvise the ideas here. Akil bisa improvise, you can add something, you can add or eliminate something, so you can eliminate or add something.
Okay.
Okay? Like my dad loves biking so much, and my mom loves cooking so much, for example, like that, or many more. You can just do like free improvisation in telling your story, right? Tapi kalau emang nggak bisa miss, I am still basic, jadi pakai ini aja nggak apa-apa.
Okay.
Yes, but feel free to add more information here. Okay. Now I want you to be B and I am A, yeah?
Okay.
So, how many people are there in your family?
Oh, there are 4 people in my family.
Do you have any siblings? What's her name or his name?
Yes, I have a little brother. He is Tom.
Oh, I see. How old is your mom?
Oh, my mom is fif- 51 years old.
What does your sister look like?
Oh, she's tall and has curly hair. Curly hair runs in my family.
Do you have the same interests with your brother?
No, I don't have so much. I don't have much in common in my brother
With my brothers.
with my brother.
Do you get along with your sister? With your younger sister?
Yes, I get along very well with her.
Are you close to your family?
Yeah, I'm very close to my mother.
Mm-mm. Oke, jangan bingung kok ini tiba-tiba padahal kan dia punyanya brother, tapi kok kenapa ada sisternya? Oke, ini adalah satu conversation ya. This one, seperti ini ya, Kil ya. Do you understand what I mean?
Okay, okay.
So now I want to ask you, how many people are there in your family?
Pakai keluarga saya.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So Akil, how many people are there in your family?
Oh, there are 5 people in my family.
Oh, that's big. Who are they?
Hmm,
Who are they? Siapakah aja mereka? Who are they?
My dad, my mom, my big brother, my little brother, and me.
Oh, Okay, so what number are you? Are you the first?
No, I'm the second child.
Okay. How old are your brothers?
My big brother is 17 and
My big brother is, jangan lupa seperti itu.
my big brother is 17 and my little brother is 10.
Okay. So how old are you?
Oh, I'm 15.
Okay, so you only have 2 years gap with your big brother?
Yeah,
Hmm. I am just bilang, I
I
am
am
just
I am just
2 years
2 years
younger
younger from my
than
big brother.
then.
Than my big brother.
Oke, itu adalah tambahan aja.
Okay,
Misal
okay.
ulangi ya. So, you are just sorry. So, you just have 2 years gap with your big brother?
Yeah. I was
I am, not I
I
was,
am I am 2 years younger than my brother.
then, then my big.
Than my big brother.
Okay. What is your first brother's name?
Mm, Her name is
His
his
name
uh, his
is,
name his name is Furkon.
and what about your little brother?
My little brother name is Hubay.
Uba, sorry?
Hubay. Hubay.
Hubaib.
Yeah,
Okay. Hubaib. Okay,
yeah.
that's great. How old is your mom
My mom is 43.
and your dad?
My dad is 43 too.
Okay. What does your first brother look like?
Mm, he look like
Ketika ditanyain look like, tidak perlu pakai he look like, tapi oh he is handsome atau he has curly hair. Look like itu seperti apa sih penampakannya? Dan penampakannya itu bisa ke jawab dengan kriterianya, kriteria fisiknya. Oh, dia tinggi atau dia pendek atau dia gendut, dia kurus seperti itu. Oke, let's go.
mm, he's handsome and he has mm, long hair.
Oh, he has
And
long hair.
yeah, and his height was same as me.
Okay, and his height is.
Is same as me.
Repeat, please. And
And
his height is
his
same
height
as
is
me,
same as me.
atau he is as tall as me.
He is as tall as me.
Repeat, please.
He is as tall as me.
Jadi dia setinggi aku. Do you get along with your brothers?
Mm, no,
No, you don't get along with your brothers. You always fight.
no. He always in her high school.
Oh, okay. He is always in his high school, so you don't get along well with him, right?
Yeah.
And what about your little brother? Do you get along with your little brother?
Yeah. I live with him. I live with him.
Mm-mm. Do you get along means apakah kamu akrab? Do you get along with your little brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Because
we live together.
yeah, we live together.
Okay. And which family member are you closest the most to?
Maybe my little brother.
Your little brother?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we always uh playing football together.
Okay, you can
Yeah.
say like this. Because we share the same hobbies.
We have the same
We
hobbies.
share, we
Oh,
share.
we share the same hobbies.
Uh-uh. Repeat, please. Whose family member, like, which family member are you closest the most to? And your answer is
I'm very close to my little brother
hmm, because
because I
we share
we share to
the
we
same.
share the same hobbies.
Jadi hobi kita sama itu bisa bilang we have the same hobbies atau we share the same hobbies.
Okay, we share the
Uh-huh.
same hobbies.
I'm close to my little brother because we share the same hobbies. Ditambahin lagi nggak apa-apa. We love playing
Football.
football. And
Yes. Oh, and
do you share another hobby too? The same hobby?
just football.
Just football. Okay, kalau gitu hobinya satu aja because we share the same hobby. We love playing football. Kalau hobinya banyak, yang sama, I'm close to my little brother because we share the same hobbies.
Hobbies.
We love
We love
playing football,
playing
swimming,
football.
and playing mungkin video games seperti itu.
Playingnya pakai S ya? Playing pakai S.
No, no, no.
Oh no.
No, no, no. Without S. Playing ini kan?
Iya.
No,
Kalau
no,
lebih
no.
dari satu.
No, 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 no.
Oh no.
Yang ditambahin S itu adalah noun sama verb.
Oh,
Yang ditambahkan S itu adalah noun, noun atau verb. Kalau noun berarti jamak. Sebentar. Kalau noun berarti jamak, contohnya noun tuh apple. Menjadi apples. Aha. Kalau verb, contohnya play, menjadi plays. Tapi ini bukan karena banyak atau karena satu. Bukan karena banyak hobinya, no. Karena subjek yang make. Ketika kita pakai subjek you, they, we, ya, you, they, we, kita nanti pakainya play.
oke.
Tapi kalau she, it, kita pakainya
Place.
plays.
Oke.
Kayak gini. Lah, kenapa kok yang bagian ini, yang little brother ini, we love ditambahin S tidak? No, no, no. Karena playing di sini itu bukan sebagai verb. Dia tuh bukan verb. Ini tuh sebagai benda. Ini noun.
Oke.
Aha. Noun ketemu noun. Noun phrase. Yang verb itu ini loh. Yang love. Love ini verbnya.
Oke.
Aku suka berenang. Itu bahasa Inggrisnya I love. Swimnya nggak boleh swim aja. Tapi harus swimming.
Swimming.
Oke, saya share di apa namanya? What is this? Whiteboard. Okay, wait a second. Ini. Okay. This one. Aku suka mancing. I love fishing. Verbnya yang mana? Love-nya ya, love-nya. Ketika saya ganti he, love-nya harus tambahin S. He loves fishing. Fishing-nya nggak tambahin S. No, no, no.
Oke.
Dia suka apel. He loves apples. Tambahin S, apelnya. Kenapa? Karena dia suka segala macam apel, not only one apple. Makanya tambahin dengan S di situ. Ketika satu macam aja, kita nggak tambahin S. Wait a second. Aku suka, satu lagi biasanya. Aku suka baca buku. Bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
I love reading books. And
Ada
books.
S-nya. Kenapa? Karena kan nggak mungkin baca cuma satu kan?
Okay.
Pasti bacanya many. That's why you have to use books. Oke, next one. Kalau Miss Rama punya, aku suka, what is that? Aku suka kucing. Bilangnya apa?
I love cats.
Harus
Oh,
banyak cats-nya. Karena kan nggak mungkin cuma satu ekor kucing yang aku suka. Many cats. Like, saya suka ya kucing. All cats. Seperti itu.
I love many cats.
Nggak perlu pakai many cats. I love cats.
I love cats.
Mm-mm.
Love-nya
Jadi
pakai
tidak,
S.
no, kan I tidak perlu tambahin
Oh
S.
iya.
Nah, ya kan?
Oke,
Ini
oke.
nih, balik lagi ke sini. Love-nya kan tidak perlu ditambahin S, makanya dia tetap pakai I love, not I loves.
Oke.
So next, is there any question, Akil?
Hmm. Maybe no.
Wait a second, kita back to here, please. Oke, kita bahas ini sebentar. We have no time left. So di sini tadi ada So Xuan, ya kan? Jawabannya apa ini tadi? So Xuan,
You mentioned.
apa jawaban Akil tadi? Do you have?
We have a big family.
Oke, atau do you come from tadi ya? Wait a second,
Oh yeah.
Miss Rama play dulu.
So Sean, you've mentioned your family. Do you have a big family?
No, I haven't.
Oke, do you have ternyata ya? Do you have a big family? Terus jawabannya apa tadi?
Fairly small family, actually. I've only got, including me, there's only 4 people in my family.
Oke, no. I have, ini bukan a very, tapi a fairly.
Oh, family.
Small family, artinya aku punya keluarga cukup kecil. I have a fairly small family. I've only got, including me, there's 4 people
My family.
in my family. Iya, yang benar ya. Next.
Huh? So it's your mother, your father, you,
And my sister.
oh, and your sister. Okay. Is your sister younger or older than you?
She's
Ngomong apa dia?
So your sister is younger than you.
Okay. Is your sister
So it's
your sister? Oh, wait a minute.
Okay. Is your sister younger or older than you?
she's
Okay.
oh,
Apa
so
dulu?
she's
Younger or older atau older or younger?
younger dulu.
Younger. Cara bacanya bukan younger ya, tapi younger.
Younger and
Or
older.
older than you, ya kan? And
younger. She just started university, actually.
dia bilang apa dia?
She's younger.
She's younger. She just started university, actually.
Okay. She's younger ya. She's younger. Remember cara bacanya bukan younger tapi younger. Ini yang
Younger.
sering banget keliru
Yeah.
ketika bacanya younger. Okay. Next.
Not
So you're
here.
the big brother.
I am, yeah.
What
So
is number
you're a big
6?
brother.
Good job. So
You're a big
you're
brother.
the big brother. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So where does your family live right now?
So
Bilang.
where is your family live right now?
Where? Bukan is tapi does. Where does
Where
your
does
family live? Ada live di sini. Jadi dia harus pakai does. Live.
right now?
Where does your family live right now?
My mother and my father live in Victoria in Canada,
Uh-huh.
and my sister is on the other side of Canada in Montreal in Quebec.
Oke, apa tadi?
My mother and my father live in Victoria in Canada.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Terus?
And my sister is live
Gak pakai is. My sister
live in other
Mm-mm.
on other side in
lives
Canada.
on the other
Side
side of Canada. Di mana?
in apa tadi? In Montreal.
Mm-mm.
In Quebec.
In Montreal, Quebec. Oke, ini baru kamu aja loh yang benar di sini. Yang lainnya comeback. Oke, in Montreal.
Yeah, I searching in the Google Quebec.
Oh, all right,
Yeah, I got
nice.
Quebec.
Oke, great. Oke, Miss Rama screenshot dulu. Alright, done. So, since we have no time left now, we will continue this topic on Thursday, right?
Yeah.
On Thursday, and we're gonna be talking about another topic too. Okay, so for now, I guess it's there's no big deal, right? You already understand what it means, right?
Yeah.
And your duty later, I want you to make a conversation. Isinya ada 2 orang di situ. Oke, so siapa yang mau memerankan, Miss? Akil semua. Jadi contoh Akil lagi talking about somebody, like talking with somebody else, and you're getting to know like, hey, so for example, Chandra, how many people are there in your family? Oh, I have blah 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 seperti itu. Oh, so you're from big family, huh? Yeah, pretty big family. Dan itu kalau bisa real people. Jadi kayak temennya Akil bisa menjadi korban kayak gitu kan. So you do not need to think much untuk membuat kebohongan itu tadi. Because that is a fake, right? That's fake story.
Yeah.
So mungkin ambil salah satu nama teman Akil dan di situ menjadi seseorang yang bercakap-cakap dengan Akil. Okay. And the last one, you must send it to me by voice notes. Okay? Jadi nggak usah ditulis tapi voice notes.
Oh, voice note. Okay.
Atau video
Itu
kalau mau.
Pakai suara saya sendiri.
Yes.
Okay.
Like, so, are you from big family? No, I'm from a fairly small family. What about you? Oh, I'm from big family. I have like 5 siblings. Wow. So, how old is your mom? Seperti itu atau yang lainnya. So, What are your siblings' name? Oh, my first one is blah blah blah, second one is blah blah, and seperti itu.
Okay.
You got that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, is there any question from Akil to me talking about this topic? Mungkin ada pertanyaan, Akil?
Oh, itu tadi Persa ya? Ya.
PR ya, PR
Oke.
itu. And we're going to talk about this again later on our next meeting ya.
Oke.
Karena kita belum selesai banget nih.
Oke.
So, thank you so much for joining the class this afternoon, late afternoon, Akil. And until our next meeting, stay healthy and stay happy. Don't forget to practice your English again and again, okay? Because practice makes perfect. So, bye for now. Thank you so much for joining the class. Telah selesai. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.